If you've been working in Ergonaut for a while, you've certainly experienced the power of the catalog spreadsheet view. What's more, you know how to easily and precisely customize the view to suit your needs. From now on, you can not only save your view for yourself, but also share it with others in your team. How cool is that? Let's customize the view for your specific needs by dragging some attributes onto the grid. In this case, technical data for the bike drives. It's a bit on an effort, but we only need to do it once. Check it out! We can also pin any columns so we can always have them in view. This is also a new feature. Once we have built the view of our dreams, we should save it, like we did it so far only for ourselves. However, now we can also save it as a shared view so that everyone who uses Ergonaut in your company can use the fruit of your labor. As they say, sharing is caring. A simple option, but one that makes work much more enjoyable. Use it to be on the same page with someone in an instant. You can also divide the filling in of the technical data into smaller pieces, such as bike gears, frames, etc. And then quickly switch between views. Imagine another example, onboarding a new person and data inputter. Probably everyone is familiar with Excel, so the grid view is also familiar, right? The fresh employee only fills in the data on the following views prepared by the team. No searching for attributes, no wondering what needs to be filled in, no long training. At this point, it is worth mentioning that you can set permission for shared views for each role in the organization. Anyone with the right permission can create or delete all shared views. If we leave only view permission, then people in the group can only use views without creating. Perfect for fresh employee. I think that sharing views will bring you a great deal of ease of work and joy every time someone uses a shared view created by you. See you soon.